Kum shibanta ka jing rakhe ya ka International Water Conclave 2024 ne ka jing alap shapang ka jing koridor jong ka banting kai bat ban penek ban sa ya ka na ka benta ka lawe ka Borsensha district jong ka West Giant Hills ha ka arteri rempang kala penlong ya ka jing pynkhuid ya ki benta ka Wah Myntdu na du jingking pambla shadu treyong riang damser ya ka ne ka jing pynkhuid dalam khmat dau ba WK Kharbuli MCS Assistant Commissioner Badu Assistant Research Officer Ba Yaj Bhapawa ringkat ka jing shim bentalang ki tana trekam sarkar baper ka district nalor ki khot ka Giantia Fishing and Environment Protection Organization bat ka sanjok ki wahe shnong jowai lawan shim benta shong shitru da ki khna Scouts and Guides Northeast Adventist Klitershi NSS but NCC jong ka kyang nang ba Government College but NCC Thomas Jones Synod College
who have wholeheartedly participated in today's activity, that is the cleaning drive along the riverbank of Myntdu. So on behalf of Sir DC and especially on behalf of the Office of Deputy Commissioner and on the occasion of this National Water Conclave 2024, I once again give you a big thanks for your participation. Because without your participation, it would have been a failure. And we just have to remember one thing that, this is not just a one-time affair. This is in fact a big learning curve, big learning experience for everybody, whoever have participated in this. And you should take this forward, not just keeping the rivers clean, but to keep your environment clean. You can keep your surrounding clean. And I would end this small talk with by extending my heartfelt thanks not just to the students, not just to the students group, especially the NSS and the Scouts and Guides. I would also like to extend my thanks to the Sanjoki Wahe Shnong and then the different organizations, and most importantly and lastly, I cannot forget the contribution especially from the different departments in our district. The different district heads, they have really cooperated with us on this occasion. So I end up with this speech of mine with a big thank you to all. Thank you.
Yo ai kita berkepar ucap ukia, yo ai kita senang ketahu le ukai ujinger rumah dewa sa dua hari tingit, yo mani yo ai kita kejing tip kejing start yo mani ukai ujinger, yo man le kita berkepar uanang ucap, yo minta sih bon man gale uwa, senang ketahu gua gedut yo man gua ukai ujinger, yo sok yo baik dek khmat le.
Participate in this cleaning drive. It will be very